Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will show you exactly how to link your Instagram account to your Facebook page using the Facebook's mobile application in 2025. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss the part about syncing the messages and the posts. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Facebook mobile application and then log in into your account. Now, once you log in into your account, you might be using your own profile, but you need to first of all switch to your page profile in order to access the page settings. For that, tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see all of the pages that you have with your profile. All of the shortcuts will be available here. So you need to simply switch on this particular icon and it is now going to show you your page profile. Now over here, tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now whatever settings you are going to view here will be associated with your page setting. Now tap on this gear icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will be landed here in your settings. Here in your settings, you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for the option that says linked account. Now once you search for this query, you will find the first link, and here as you can see we have Instagram and WhatsApp. Now by default these will be not connected because this is what we are learning, right? So here you need to tap on the Instagram option and it will redirect here on this page. Tap on the connect account option in the bottom, then tap on the continue option again. Now it is going to redirect you here in your Instagram account. Over here you need to provide your username and your password associated with your Instagram account. Allow the required permissions for syncing features between these two platforms. Once it is linked successfully, you will see the options of syncing the message, sharing the posts, etc. So you can just turn on them with whatever feature you want. So this is how you can link Instagram to Facebook page in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.